Renovated Ranch offers all-new kitchen, bathrooms and freshly painted turnkey home. One-level living offers an open floor plan from the kitchen to living/dining area with a vaulted ceiling. Hardwood flooring throughout the main living level. Primary bedrooms offers an ensuite full bath with a walk-in shower and double closet. Guest bedroom has 2 sets of double closets, and a new full bath just outside the door. A full basement offers the laundry room, storage room and space for a workout area. The covered entry porch offers seasonal views to the lake. The backyard offers a private scenic lot that backs to the woods with a new patio to relax and enjoy. The Lake Forest community offers the opportunity to join the Yacht Club. Enjoy the clubhouse, beach, tennis and opportunity for a boat slip. Kayak storage is available and all within walking distance. Commuter location with access to NJ Transit bus and train. Several restaurants and shops and 20 minutes to major ski and golf resort. Resort location offers hiking, biking and walking trails. Mint condition home, hurry this one won't last.